I'm back off holiday. I had 2 fabulous weeks in Thailand. I took my saxophone with me and I ended up jamming in loads of different scenarios. I jammed on the beach, I jammed in a restaurant, I jammed in a cocktail bar, I jammed at a jam session. I even, believe it or not, on the last day, we were in Bangkok International Airport and there was a band there, a Thai band, and they invited me up. They saw I had a saxophone with me and they invited me up to come and play. What am I going to say? Of course, I said I would love to. And I stood on stage with them. I didn't know what I was going to play and just jammed. It was amazing. I didn't know what key we're in. I just had to work it out and play something lovely on the spot. It was really, really, really good fun. And I really strongly encourage you to take your saxophone on holiday so that you can have these kind of experiences. It's just so cool. I've videoed all of that and I'm going to make a vlog. It's going to take me a while to make this vlog, to edit it all, but I am going to get that done as soon as I possibly can. Now, in the meantime, I need your help. Now, what I've done, now look, to be perfectly honest with you, I never thought that I would be a YouTuber or B, have my own teaching platform. I never thought that would happen to me. And I've been teaching for a long time, full time, privately, and lots of my clients over the years had said to me, have you seen Nigel McGill's website, which I think is fabulous, well done, what a fantastic resource that is. And are these other online teachers, and they said to me, you should do something like that because you're really good at teaching. I really enjoy your lessons, and you know, why don't you do it? And the reason why I didn't do it was because it's a monumental task and I know nothing about filming or editing or really marketing. I know lots about being in a band and being in a jazz duo and teaching people was my field of expertise, but it didn't really blend into that. My skills didn't blend in naturally. So I'm trying to build up my YouTube channel now, and at the moment we're at around 8,500 subscribers, and we've done that in a year, which is good, and we've done that through hard work by putting tutorials out which hopefully are useful to people, and my teaching style which hopefully resonates with people like you, and I know that I need to keep doing that. But what I've done in the past is I've done contra deals with my one-to-one clients where they've helped me out and I've given them saxophone lessons or saxophones or tuition or backing tracks or whatever, or my support in return. So I've had my double glazing done. I've just had a room upstairs, we've had this small kind of dressing room. We've had that remodeled by a lovely guy called Matt. In the past, I've had a beautiful outbuilding in my garden built by a lovely guy called Darren. And in exchange with Darren, because that was quite a big job, gave him cash and I gave him 2 saxophones and a whole bunch of lessons as well. And everybody's happy. Now, I know that out there in the YouTube world, there is someone sitting there who would know more about how to build up a YouTube channel than I do, apart from just putting in the hard work, which I am prepared to do. But if you have a company which helps people build up their YouTube channel, I want to hear from you. If you've got any brilliant ideas about how I can get up to kind of 50 or 100,000 subscribers, and do that a little bit more quickly, then I would love to hear from you. And in exchange for that, we could do some sort of a deal where I offer you resources that I've got, including my expertise and my teaching experience, and cash, as well. So I would love to hear from you. I would really appreciate your help. So please do let me know if you've got any thoughts about that. You can email me at lyndon@saxmadesimple.com. I would also like to hear from everybody about the kind of tutorials. Look, there's my studio over there. What do you want me to sit in that chair and help you with? How can I help you? That's what I want to do. I want to help you in the best way. Is it tone? Is it chord charts? Is it jamming? Is it improvisation? You let me know the kind of things that you want to work on. Is it gear? Do you want to know about saxophones or my opinion on saxophones or whatever it is? Is it even the kind of psychological approach to practice, how you organize your practice? I would love to hear your thoughts about the types of things that you'd like me to sit in that chair and talk about and help you with, because that's what I want to do. I want to help as many people as I possibly can, and smash through some of these awful kind of ideas that people have about learning music, that it has to be dull, it has to be boring, or you have to be able to read music, or you have to practice for 6 hours a day. In my opinion, it's all about application. Anyway, I'm going slightly off target. Let me know what you would like me to make tutorials about, and I will do it, because I'm here to help. And if you can help me build up the YouTube channel, that would be amazing. I would really, really, really love to hear from any marketing people or business people that might be able to help me promote my YouTube channel or saxmadesimple.com. Right, I'm going to stop waffling. I've got loads to do today. I've got lots of editing. I've got loads of clients, so I better get going. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.